how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a Spider-Man triangle. It's gonna be a cool triangular shape. I did a Spider-Man ball and a square. So somebody asked me to do this, a triangle, and that's kind of what we're gonna do. That Spider-Man design. Really simple stuff. You can put this anywhere. If you're a beginner, especially, you will be able to do this. Okay, really simple stuff. It's gonna be step by step. 8 minutes, really short. 8 minutes only. So stay till the very end. Let's get started. Okay. First thing I'm going to tell you to do is please subscribe to the channel if you have not. If you watch more than one video, definitely hit the subscribe button. It helps, viewership here. It also kind of lets me know what you want more of. But hitting the subscribe and clicking the bell notification does a lot for just kind of the channel and making more videos. We post all the time. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with the eyes first and then create the shape around it. All right. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve line here for one eye. Going over here, that's obviously the top of the eye, and this one's the other top of the other eye. Going over here, down, curve in. Going over here, doing the same thing. Got those bug eyes, right? Do them in two parts. You don't do them like that. Okay. So you have those kind of like almost cat eyes going on. So what I'm going to suggest to you is we might as well just get this out of the way now. I would thicken out the lines on this right now because we're going to end up thickening them out later. So I would recommend thickening them out immediately. Like so. All right. Doing good. Hopefully doing good. Let's do that triangle shape. I'm going to do the upside down triangle shape. So it's going to be like over here. I'm going to actually place a dot before I start drawing these because I don't want to start drawing it and like go off course here. So I'm going to put a dot there, maybe dot over here outside the eye, over here, like way outside the eye, maybe a little bit more even. And then I'm going to put a dot over here at the bottom. And I'm going to have it bursting out a little bit. Actually, do I? There we go. See, it's kind of like I have to measure it out so it doesn't run into it. This one will make it, yeah. I'm going to have these busting out a little bit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a line across. Be very careful with this. Do this slowly or quickly. It's up to you. Somewhere around there. Going over here. Actually, I'm going to pull this down a bit more. I'm going to go over here. Down. Right? If your control is an issue, do this even slower. Right there. Don't worry about those dots. They're going to disappear once we put the netting in. And I'm going to go over here way in the edge. And I'm going to slowly come over here. Let's force it that way a little bit. Whew, that was tough. If you need a ruler, by the way, do it with a ruler. That's an easy cheat, okay? You can do it with a ruler. There's no cheating in drawing pretty much, unless you're straight up tracing, and claiming not to. But there's really no cheating as far as you're just doing this. Get the ruler if you need to. So now we're going to draw the little explosion shape in the center. I always say that. Little explosion shape. And I'm going to start pulling lines from there. So I'm going to start pulling lines out right here. Out. Right here. Out. It's going to radiate from the center. Doesn't matter how many prongs you have. Just don't worry about it. Line over here. This is like good practice as far as like drawing straight lines, right? Since it's radiating from there, you're not going to draw with the eye, obviously. Um, you know, you're just gonna keep drawing them. Don't worry about the number or the amount. Just as long as they're radiating out, it's completely fine. You don't have to count these or anything like that. You're getting the impression of it. That's kind of the biggest part about this. You're getting the impression of it. Curve line here, curve line here, curve line here. Obviously, it's that netting, which looks like it's pulling up into this vortex. That's the way I like to think about it. It's like pulling. It's pulling on the netting here. All right, go up. Curve over here. Curve over here. Curve over here. Just continue to kind of follow along the edge. And like I said, there's really just kind of two loops around that you have to draw into. See how I told you to cover it up? And it's kind of therapeutic, honestly. It's actually really fun to do that. You can maybe throw one over here or something like that. Again, it's the impression of it, just as long. See, that one doesn't line up a little bit, but it's fine. It'll work. If you want to fix maybe some lines here in the corner, you can always do that. It's kind of up to you what you end up doing, but that's pretty much it. That's very, very simple triangle with Spider-Man's face on it. I guess I'll call it like the Spider-Man triangle or something like that. Super, super simple. It was hard to get them in there, but it was simple after that, okay? Hit the like button if you like stuff like this. I'll do other shapes if you like. Just let me know. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor and share it with a friend. That's the best thing you can do. That's a huge thing. Or just share it on social media. Share it on Twitter. Excuse me. Also, don't forget, check out the cool stuff in the description. There is a book that I sell on sketches, like monster sketches that are really cool. There is, free ebook. There is all kinds of stuff. I'm working on a website. I'll link you to that. It's not done yet, but I'm gonna really start pushing that a lot because I think I want that to be the hub of all the stuff on here. You guys are awesome and everything's great. What I want you to do as far as drawing goes is I want you to really be compelled to have fun. If you're having fun, you will become a better artist. That's literally what it is. When it's fun, you become a better artist and you just feel better about yourself. And I think that's kind of and you just learn faster. Like I know there's going to be struggles where you mess up on stuff, but messing up is part of the process. And the sooner you learn that, the better. And it's like, okay, it's completely fine. You can do better on the next one. You learn from that mistake. Okay, so stay positive, stay fun, and I want you to all stay easy.